Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X3 engine air filter. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and your new filter. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin this process to avoid any burns. You'll find the air filter housing under the hood, typically on the passenger side. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Let's get started. Now that you've located the housing, it's time to open it up. Depending on your specific BMW X3 model, you'll either unclip several fasteners or unscrew a few screws to remove the cover. Be gentle when disconnecting any hoses or electrical sensors attached to the housing. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated. This will help ensure your new filter goes in correctly. With the old filter removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully place the new engine air filter into the housing, making sure it sits snugly and evenly without any gaps. Then, meticulously reconnect all the hoses and electrical sensors you detached earlier, ensuring they are secure. Finally, replace the air filter housing cover, fastening all clips or screws firmly to seal it properly. Before you finish, take a moment to double-check all your connections and ensure the housing clips or screws are fully secured. Then, start your BMW X3's engine to confirm everything is operating smoothly and there are no unusual noises. You've successfully changed your engine air filter. And speaking of keeping things running smoothly, remember to stay hydrated. Check out the Owala water bottle mentioned in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.